In this video, we'll be having a look at the proof of the quadratic formula. We have the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where the coefficient a is not equal to 0. We will prove that the real solution or solutions for x is given by the formula negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This assuming that b squared minus 4ac, which is the discriminant, is at least 0, so the square root exists. Let's have a look at the proofs. So first, starting with the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Since the coefficient a is not equal to 0, we can divide both sides by a. And this gives us x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. And now we do completing the square by writing this as a square, something squared plus a constant term. So what we can do is, if we have x plus b over 2a all squared, we can expand it out into x squared plus 2 times b over 2a times x plus b squared over 4a squared. And this is equal to x squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared. This is quite similar to this, except the constant term is a bit different. This means we can write this original expression here as x over b, x plus b over 2a squared, and n plus the c over a here. We also have to minus this b squared over 4a squared here, so minusing it here, and this will equal 0. Now we can move the constant on the right-hand side, so we have x plus b over 2a all squared is equal to b squared over 4a squared minus c over a, which is b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. Note 4a squared is greater than 0 because a squared is greater than 0. And also, if we assume the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is at least 0, this means we know x plus b over 2a must be equal to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 4a squared. This square root, the square root is equal to, we have plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the square root of 4a squared is the same as 2 times the absolute value of a. For example, if a was equal to -1, the square root of a would be the absolute value of a, with absolute value of -1, which is 1. So that's why we need the absolute value sign. Okay, however, since we have a plus or minus here, we don't actually need the absolute value sign, because if we just had a, it would we would still have the same 2 solutions. So we can remove the absolute value sign. And now all we have to do is move the b over 2a over to the right-hand side, and this gives us our final formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that's the quadratic formula proven. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.